Hello everyone, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today's new topic, Geography HS questions part 3. Though I have uploaded part 1 and part 2 questions on my playlist, you can go and check and you can note down from there. Okay. And from today I am going to teach you Geography HS questions part 3. Okay. And one good news for you all that from tomorrow I will be teaching you economic subject. Okay. कल से मैं इकोनॉमिक्स से भी क्लास दूंगा आप लोगों को. इकोनॉमिक्स का जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन सब आने वाला है उसको मैं आपको कल प्रोवाइड करूंगा और आपको नोट्स करना है. ठीक है. देन सो हियर आई बिगिन. नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट जूट मिल. फर्स्ट जूट मिल ऑफ इंडिया was established at first jute mill of India was established at रिश्रा. ओके. सबसे पहला जूट मिल ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया में सबसे पहला जूट मिल कहां पर स्टैब्लिश हुआ था? रिश्रा में. नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन. द नेम ऑफ फ्री फ्लोटिंग हाइड्रोफाइट. Hydrophyte is, the answer will be water. Hydrophyte are those plants which grows on swampy ground. Water, so ACINTH. Okay. Number 3 question. The father of white revolution. The father of white revolution. The father of white revolution. Father of white revolution in India is. Father of white revolution is Dr. Varghese. Varghese. Kurin. Important question. Okay, the father of white revolution in India is Dr. Varghese Kurin. Number 4. The drainage, the soil formed by volcanic materials. The soil formed by volcanic materials is Andy soil. Andy soils. Okay. The name of the climatic region. The name of the climatic region in which biodiversity is maximum. Answer will be tropical rainforest region. Tropical rainforest region. Number 6. The drainage pattern. Which develops on a steep hills is what? You know? Answer will be radial drainage pattern. Okay. 7 number. The soil formed by oh, extremely sorry. Great Barrier Reef. Okay, 7 number. I had written one questions 2 times. Great Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef is found. Is found. Great Barrier Reef is found off the coast of Australia. Number 8. The word great. The word great was first used by Gilbert. Answer will be G.K. Gilbert. 9 number. The measure iron ore. The measure iron ore. These all are MCQs. Okay. The measure iron ore producing region of Chhattisgarh. The major iron ore producing region of Chhattisgarh is, the answer will be Dali Raira. Okay, these all are MCQs, not pure short question. These all are MCQs. Isolated and small rural settlement is called what? You know, hamlet. Which of the following cities are connected by golden quadrilateral? Golden quadrilateral is what? You know, it is a highway which connect 4 or 5 metro cities. Oh, sorry. Golden quadrilateral is what? Golden quadrilateral is a supranational highway which connect 4 cities. Okay, which cities? I am writing a name over here. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Chennai, Kolkata. These are the names of 4 metro cities which connect in golden quadrilateral. For this reason, golden quadrilateral, in short definition, you have to write that golden. Sometimes questions can be asked in short question like that. What do you mean by golden quadrilateral? Then you have to write golden quadrilateral is a supranational highway which connect 4 metro cities, namely Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. Then you will got 1 out of 1. Number 12. The least cost theory. The least cost theory of industrial location Alfred Weber. Okay, Alfred Weber. The agricultural system the agricultural system in which millet is the main crop. Answer will be dry farming. Dry farming. Number 14 questions. The hazard associated with gravitational force. Answer will be avalanche. Monsoon wind is a type of which wind? You know. Answer will be periodical wind. Periodical wind. 16 number. The color of humus. The color of humus. Humus color is black in color. Okay. The reason where Inselberg is found. The reason where Inselberg is found. Answer will be Gangetic Plain. Okay. The hot water coming out from volcanoes during the time of volcanicity with magma. Magma is, the answer will be juvenile water. Okay. One Cassidy's feature of equatorial region. One Cassidy's feature of equatorial region is convectional rainfall. Okay. This question has come on 2019 HS. 2019 में भी ये क्वेश्चन आया था. 2019 का क्वेश्चन में भी आया था ये MCQ. Convectional rainfall in afternoon. Okay. Second last question. 20. Professional consultation. Professional consultation is an example of, the answer will be culinary, economic, Economic activity. Okay, कोई नहीं economic activity. Last question. According to census 2011 in India, the ratio between male and female is कितना था 940:1000. That's it. This was the MCQs of your HS 2021. Okay, you just copy on your exercise copy, just copy notebook, okay, and you just start learning. Okay, कल से मैं आप लोग को नया एक सब्जेक्ट कराऊंगा इकोनॉमिक्स. ओके, इकोनॉमिक्स कल से मैं स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ. ज्योग्राफी का थर्ड सेशन ही चल रहा है, और भी सेशन चलेगा, बट अब मैं थर्ड सेशन में ज्योग्राफी को स्टॉप करना चाहता हूँ, और कल से मैं इकोनॉमिक्स भी आप लोग को स्टार्ट करूँगा. इकोनॉमिक्स स्टार्ट करके मैं सारा MCQs पहले लिखाऊंगा, ठीक है, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जो आपका आने वाला है वो कराऊंगा. उसके बाद फिर मैं ज्योग्राफी कंटिन्यू करूँगा. उसके बाद पॉलिटिकल साइंस, हिस्ट्री, EVS, ओके, इंग्लिश. ओके, इंग्लिश का अच्छा क्लास आने वाला है आप लोग का. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. You just copy down.